You never traded before, that's fine. One chart, one time frame, 3 steps. NAS100, 1 hour, zoom out. The trend is your friend until the bend at the end. Here's your green light. The green light, NAS100, cover world chart, zoom out. Higher highs, higher lows, the trend is what it's about. Break of structure, trend line breaks, buyers back in play. The green light, market inefficiency, FVG entry today. Mitigated, get price returns, bullish candle close. Stop below the wick, take profit range high, that's how it goes. 64 to 75%, as for lifetime bullish trend. The green light, 3 steps, that's all you need. Step 1, trading view, Supercharts, NAS100, 1 hour, zoom out, confirm the macro, higher highs and lows, the power, bullish trend confirmed, higher high and higher low in place, lower lows and lower highs, bearish, wait, find your grace. The trend is your friend, back to the band at the end. Match going falling bullish, 64 to 7 time, lifetime it remains. Short-term bearish phases are just pullbacks in disguise. Zoom out, macro bullish, that's the statistical price. Step 2, local bearish phase, draw the trend line clean. Connect each lower high, watch for the break, know what it means. Price breaks above the trend line, break of structure, confirm right. Higher high begins, higher low forms, now you're in the light. Don't enter in the bearish phase, wait for BOS first. Trend line drawn, buyers return, quench the entry thirst. Higher high confirmed, buying mode, the signal now is clear. Find the market inefficiency, the FVG is near. Green light, NAS100, 1 hour chart, zoom out. Higher highs, higher lows, the trend is what it's all about. Break of structure, trend line breaks, buyers back in play. The green light, market inefficiency, FVG entry today. Mitigate, get price returns, bullish candle close. Stop below the wick, take profit range high, that's how it goes. 64 to 75%, that's soon lifetime bullish trend. The green light, 3 steps, that's all you need. Begin. Step 3, market inefficiency, 3 candle pattern find. Candle 1 wick top, candle 3 wick bottom gap design. Candle 2's aggressive body skips the price range in between. That gap between the wicks, the FVG mark the unseen. Rectangle tool mark the recent bullish range in you. Inside the range, look for the unmitigated FVG do. Mitigated means price already filled it, that zone is done. Unmitigated, price hasn't touched it, that's the one. Wait for price to return inside the inefficiency zone. Bullish 1 hour candle close, never trade the wick alone. Buy on the candle close, stop below the wick, range high the target. 3 steps complete, the green light, simple, don't despair. Last connect, time out, zoom out, macro trend. Higher highs, higher lows, bullish confirm. Local bear, short trend line, lower highs, connect them. BAS above, back, green light go. Mark the lane, rectangle, FVG inside, 3 candles, unmitigated, not filled, price return, wait for it, bullish close, 1 hour cross, buy on close, top power, stop below, with defense, range high, check off from indicators, no complexity, 1 chart, 1 hour, 3 steps. The NAS100 is statistically bullish, that's already set. Around your full-time job, 30 minutes is enough each day. Trend, break of structure, market inefficiency, the way. Beginners get lost in complexity and indicators everywhere. The simple strategy, zoom out, BOS FVG is straight. Not because it's hard, not because most never start this clean. 3 steps, green light, NAS100, that's the trading green. The green light, NAS100, 1 hour chart, zoom out. Higher highs, higher lows, the trend is what it's trendline. Break of structure, trend line breaks, buyers back in play. The green light, market inefficiency, FVG entry today. No green light. NAS100. No green light. 1 hour. Higher lows, bullish confirmed. Local berry. Drop trend line. Lower high. Subtrend buy. Green and red support. Green light though. Buying one. Mark the rain. Rectangle. FVG inside. 3 candles. I mitigated. I filled up. Price return. Wait for it. Bullish close. 1 hour close. Buy on close. Not the wick. Stop below. With defense. Range high. Take profit. Last time just 1 hour. Higher high. Higher low. Bullish. Local berries. Draw the trend line. Wait for the POs. Find the FVG. Unmitigated. Bullish candle close. Buy stop below range high.